Hey YouTube family, happy Wednesday. Even though you won't be seeing this vlog until probably about Thursday or maybe Friday, probably Thursday. It is in the afternoon now, so it is Wednesday afternoon. So you know, I'm gonna say Debbie, where you eat. I'm eating peanuts, the one in, but it's almost finished now. So I'm starting off the vlog with the yamin, but that's how it goes. This is my lunch. My lunch. Lunch late as always. It's a past brunch time to a dinner time. But I'm just checking in. We're gonna be eating and talking. Eating? No, we're gonna be talking a little, sharing a little thought, and we're gonna cook. What will I be cooking? I'll cook like a stew peas. I have a little package of pigtail. I ain't got any like stew beef, no farmer beef, no nothing. And I'll be putting a little piece of chicken with it. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. Probably not in depth, because you know we don't go in depth with just certain. If we are going in depth with certain things, well, probably, I don't know, maybe in the future. But like, it's not a tutorial, but we are going to cook. We're just making dinner and sharing. You know, so I'm going to do some stew peas. Callaloo will be my veggie. And maybe a slice of tomato and so. Yeah, I have some little peas. They're fine, really on the smaller side. But that's what I have. And I'm going to use them. I'm not throw them out. So, my peas was there soaking from morning. Debbie, not touch your face. My hands are clean, clean. I'm at home. Come on. When they say not to touch your face, it simply means when you're on the road, come on, if you're gonna live without you not touch your face. Could you be at home with dirty hands and dirty space? No, you should not. When they say don't touch your face and stuff, it simply means, I think, when you're on the road, when you're out, try to avoid touching your face with your hands that you use to touch different surfaces that you're not sure if they're properly clean, if them sterilize or them sanitize or I think that's what they mean. They don't mean like if you're in your house with your family, your place clean. So how you sleep, if you have your husband, your wife, your kids, where you and them interact. Come on. Come on, family. Be mature. Some people are, don't touch your face. You go on a live. Don't touch your face. You cough. No, come on. We're not deal with that. As a matter of fact, we're not coming to chat about that neither, too tough. So we'll be making dinner. And I just want to talk a little about how, you know, things and times have changed and we had to take time, go back to basics. You realize it? You know, back then, when we were, and this is like for people who grew up in the country. Look here. We would never get a cup of tea in the week, like chocolate or them something there, cocoa. Them time it was like Roma cocoa and all of that. We would not get that until Sunday morning, and sometimes some Sunday things bad. Every single morning it would be family, and you can come in if you're a Jamaican, better yet a Caribbean person. It would be bush tea. Early in the morning, sometimes most mornings, 95% of the mornings, my mother get up, we broke the bush them with the dew on it. Sometimes I'm me, she send. You know, as small as you was, you learn to know Jack in the bush. You know sauce tea, you know black sage, you know white sage. You know that they have the two different sages, black sage and white sage. Yeah. Soursop leaf. Go broke semi-contract. I don't even know the scientific name for semi-contract. Right? And I know I'm not going to say, hey, y'all, say you have only for story time for give with Debbie. Yes. I have them ISO. And they're not folly. They're real. Story times with back then. And that is why I have separated the Jamaican Debbie Deb strain from all my other channels. Because that channel, let me say it all the while, it's special. But anyway, and that we are chat about. May I say, oh, wonder if you see that we have to be going back to basics, family. People are embracing lemongrass, them I embrace all the little tea them where they used to lick out pan. When I drink them the tea, when I drink them, when I know them. All people were born and grow a country, I make you know so they don't know them. People were like you and them run up and down a country and you know them drink it too. But you then get one little breakthrough and then go for and then come, no, I don't know it. Angela Hamilton, when Angela was coming to visit me, when she came, she said, Auntie Debbie, big up yourself, Angie, when you watch this. We don't even know if Angie know about that channel yet. She's so busy. I think she does. I think she does. And she said, Auntie Debbie, me want one, because I saw the lemongrass. And me want one cup of the lemongrass tea. That's the first thing me want when me come here. Lemongrass tea. I don't even know if Angela Banangua country, she know lemongrass. So we have to be going back to basics now. But look here. I'm glad. I did that a long time. Me old school, I want to know that. So anywho, gonna be preparing dinner. The hardest thing, the biggest work me have here, is to look for the prep this color. Yeah, this bungalow color will take a lot. So what me go do? I go put on my peas, make it go and cook by itself. I don't think I'll be using the pressure cooker today. But just I go put it in a Jessie, the peas and the pigtail in a Jessie. Make them go and cook down. Just like how we do back in the days, baby. Back to basics, baby. Back to basics. So, family, and two, I want to thank you. We have reached 4,000 subs on this, the Jamaican Cooking Journey family. I want to thank you so very much, and we'll be starting to put out our post notification. We'll either be shouting you out in the videos or your name will be running across the screen. We're going to be acknowledging maybe our first, second, and third people that comment on our video. And that means if the comment is not really respectful, we are not going to use it. It must be something pertaining to the video, and it must be respectful. So the first 3 persons that, comment respectful, irrespective of what. Because we not put out nothing disrespectful. That comments in a respectable way. No matter you vent your feeling or what you want to do or something. Once it's respectable, first 3 persons, we're going to start putting up post notification. Names will be running across the screen. I want to say thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much on behalf of the rest of my family. Okay? So, I'm going to go now. Put the pieces soaking. I'm going to put the pigtail and them for cook together. I'm going to season my little... Did I tell you that? Yes, I did say. I'm going to put my little pieces of chicken. I'll show you what I'll do. Come and take me a chat enough now. Because I've got to show you as I go along. No. I did stew peas. I did soup. And when I get, we I get some peas now. Where they're not, them not a pretty red color there originally. So I opted to use a little beetroot to bring up the color. Somebody commented, that was just stupidity on the cooking channel. I'm just sharing. I'm not venting. I'm just saying to you, you can tell me what you think in the comment section, family. That was the stupidity to use the beetroot to give. Remember, beetroot is a natural red color, All you had to do was use extra peas. Now, family, if you have pound of pigtail and half pound of peas, because some of them know the ratio, but let's say a pound of pigtail to half pound of peas can give you good stew peas. That's the ratio I'm using. So if I 2 pound of pigtail, a pound of peas. Say pound of peas and 2 pound of pigtail. Yeah, man. Once peas good, have pretty color, you're good to go. You have 2 pounds of pigtail. You not increase the pigtail. You not do not to the pigtail. Peas not have no color. So no matter how much peas you put, you're not going to get the color. Because originally, right through, the pack of peas or the bag of peas not have no pretty color. So no matter how much more peas you put, you ain't going to get the color. So you're going to be vamping up the peas and the pigtail. The meat remain the same. So what going to happen? What is going to happen? When the peas come out, you're going to get the pigtail, the stew all thick up. And there's still no color. Please to comment in the comment section. Does that make sense? Peas without no color. Same amount of pigtail. How the cat to is use more peas. Come on, the whole bag of peas now no color, so the peas stay. More peas for more color. Comment, what do you think about that? For me, that's a stupid idea. Comment and tell me what you think about that. Real YouTube family, real cookies. Uno me a talk to. We have follow up on the Jamaican cooking journey. Uno a cook. Comment and tell me. Use more peas to get more color when peas are good. Comment and tell me. Catch you in the next clip. Remember I said we're going to be cooking and chatting. We are cook and sauce. Cook and sauce. Catch you. So YouTube family, this is my pigtail and my peas. You know, sort of slow cook way. Look, but medium cooking. So look here. Actually, I did not have to a kitchen, Jamaican kitchen. Only in a Jamaican kitchen, you hear the pot cover lick down. Especially country. Comment. Yeah, real kitchen. Pot cover lick down. So see the water there? You know, tree bad. The peas were small, but the water never tree bad. So, and then too, I'm on to my callaloo. Let's try to strip up my callaloo them. And all of that. And so forth. So family, we are back at time now to put in the pinners. Me tell you say, my mother said, boy, me just go and make it like her. Must have a little coin. Yeah. And I put in my pinners. Now my stew peas. Me have little dry up here, fluff it here. So we left them in some ice cold water inside and rejuvenate. Well, you know about that. Tell me that. So it's at the point where I can start mash some of my peas. I don't know how I cook for my stew peas already done. And I have a pack with some sweet corn. I didn't even remember that. I found it in the fridge, so I had the sweet corn left on. This now, my color will just go on and it did it. See? I'm over here so I mash the little of the peas. So cook and sauce. Let me pop rocotori do uno ya. Me a cook. Yeah, mash that. Me tell you I never bother with the chicken because I have enough stew peas. Me have enough pigtail. So lemongrass are the new thing. Thick lemon lazy. Granny pan her knee, grandpa pan in head top. Want it? A gentleman came here a few hours ago to do something for me. So he actually to the lemongrass and he said, Mommy, a lemongrass that? I said, yeah man. He said, I can get some. I said, yeah, I can get some. You can get some when you are going. So when he was going away, I cut some and gave it to him. But sure he come up flourishing and something now. He must be looking at me, maybe I could have given him more. I'm going to give him support somebody else wants some. But look here. One thing I'm going to tell you, when you have your herbs at home, no matter how you and your friend them close, when them come and you offer them, make sure say you go break your herbs and give them. Don't make nobody come at your place, come take them and put on your little herbal tree then. Okay? Don't let nobody come at your yard or your place or your property or wherever you want to call it. Don't let them come. If you want to give them a piece of your plant, break it and give it to them. Don't let them come take empty them and put on it and break it. Neither your herbs then. Okay? You break it or you cut it and give it to them. So yeah, me I put in this. So I only the rice not gone on it. For the stove set, you know. But if me did I use my head for a long time, me would have put the rice in one of them rice cookers. But you know it going to attend to other stuff. So me go and put in them here and make it come down. I have dry thyme. And I have green pepper. Look here, ain't got no scallion, so I go beat like pimento powder and put in it. And I go put in some fresh garlic. So, yes, darling. Everybody want lemongrass now. What a piece of touring. Click a bit. So, YouTube family, dinner has been finished and it finished happily. Look at my stew peas. I did Look at me. I'm not doing a pressuring this time. Look at this pretty red color. Make me sus. Look more. Let me tell you something, YouTube family. Sometimes try your thing. I mean, your thing work. You do your thing. If somebody shares something with you and you want to try, you try it. Never try to bash and to say things before. You saw what I had here. I used a half tin of a small, the smallest can of or tin of tomato paste, you know. I used about half of it. Look at the color of the stew peas. Look here. Look at it and look here. Please do not drool. Don't mark that little baby. This is it. This is stew peas. My stew peas has been finished. I'll show you. Happily finished. Rice. Still on the drying down. I just open it to show you. Dad put on the rice for me. And it's still coming down. And Dad, him always a cook shelly rice. It's still got a few minutes to go. Not a lot. We have some happy pieces of corn over here. Yep. And we've got a happy little serving of greens over here. This is what we had, or this is what we'll be having for dinner today. Today is Wednesday. You will not see this dinner vlog until about Thursday, I promise. And thanks for staying with me. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. We have got 3 notification shout outs. Hey family, we have got 3 notification shout outs of our first set of notification shout outs. Hungry. This place is so, family, let me tell you, the AC is on and it's like, I don't know what happened today. Me no know. Today is the 1st of April, but it's so hot. So first is Winsome Baker. Big up yourself, Winsome. Thanks so much for being a part of the Jamaican Cooking Journey family. Melinda Grant. Melinda, big up yourself. I know you well from all our 4 channels. Big up yourself, manners and respect, my girl. And we have got Top Queen's Ice in the Sun. Top Queen's Ice in the Sun. Big up yourself, Top Queen's Ice, manners and respect. Thank you for being on the Jamaican Cooking Journey family. So we're starting our post notification shout out because we have hit 4,000 and climbing. And I want to thank you so much for your love. I want to thank you so much for your support. Thank you, thank you. Remember to cook happily. Remember to eat happily. Stay blessed. Stay loved. Love your family. Love yourselves. Stay sterilized. Sterilize the place. Stay sanitized. And remember to pray. Because the family that prays together stays together. I'm going to leave for now. I showed you what I have. I'm not going to be dishing up. We just cook and we sus. We sus a little bit. If you like the talk and sus, please leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much. So it's gonna be ciao.